Now we are going to continue the examples in the exercise 6.5. In the question number first, the 6 examples are done. Now the 7th example, solve the following differential equation. Question number 7, x plus a dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x plus a to the power 5. Okay, now it is a given differential equation. Here we write the given differential equation. Given differential equation is, it is x plus a dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x plus a to the power 5. Now here it is a linear differential equation in y, because here the power of the dy by dx it is 1 and it is the power of y is also 1. Okay, so degree of the dy by dx, degree of the term it is the dy by dx, and the degree of y it is a 1. So it is a linear differential equation in y. And one more condition here, the dy by dx and y not in the multiple together, so it is a linear differential equation in y. Now it is not in the form of the linear differential equation. The form of the linear differential equation, it is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Only the dy by dx, here it is a x plus a, so throughout dividing by x plus a, then we get the dy by dx minus 3 upon x plus a into y. Here divide by x plus a, and here when we divide by x plus a, here we get x plus a to the power 4, and now it is a linear differential equation in y. So compare with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the constant or the functions of x only. Therefore here p is equal to minus 3 upon x plus a, it is a p, and q it is x plus a to the power 4. Now the solution of this linear differential equation is the integrating factor into y is equal to integration of integrating factor into q with respect to x. So first find the integrating factor. Now the integrating factor, it is e to the power integration of p dx, then e to the power integration of minus 3 upon x plus a with respect to x. Minus 3 it is a constant, therefore minus 3 constant, and integral of 1 upon x plus a, it is log of x plus a. Okay, now therefore we can write the integrating factor, it is e to the power log of x plus a to the power minus 3. That means x plus a to the power minus 3 means 1 upon x plus a cube. Here it is power minus 3, it is 1 upon x plus a cube. It is the integrating factor. Okay, now the solution of the linear differential equation. In y is, here integrating factor into y is equal to integral of integrating factor into q with respect to x. Now write the value of integrating factor and q. Q it is this. Therefore the integrating factor, it is 1 upon x plus a cube into y is equal to integrating factor 1 upon x plus a cube into q, it is x plus a to the power 4, it is q with respect to x. Here integrating factor 1 upon x plus a cube into y and into integral of 1 upon x plus a cube into x plus a to the power 4 with respect to x. Now this can be written, it is a y upon x plus a whole cube is equal to integral of only x plus a with respect to x plus a. It is x plus a cube and it is x plus a to the power 4. X plus a cube whole cube cancel, then remaining only the x plus a. Okay, and now integrate this. Y upon x plus a whole cube is equal to integral of x, it is x square by 2, and plus integral of a, it is a into x, and plus c. Here is general solution of given differential equation. Okay, it is a general solution. Y upon x plus a cube is equal to x square by 2 plus ax plus c. It is a general solution of this differential equation. Now we see the next example. Example number 8, dr plus 2r into cot theta plus sin 2 theta into d theta is equal to 0. Now here it is a given differential equation in the variable r and theta. Okay, here the differential coefficient r dr and it is a d theta. So the given differential equation dr is equal to, dr plus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta into d theta is equal to 0. Here the differential coefficient are the dr and the d theta. So here we write the differential equation in the form of dr by d theta or d theta by dr. Okay, when we write dr by d theta, then it is a differential equation in r. Okay, now then we check the it is a linear or not, and when we write d theta by dr, then it is a differential equation in theta. First it is a linear differential equation in r, then here dr by d theta and r have degree 1, and it is a when we write d theta by dr, then d theta by dr and theta have degree 1, and they are not multiple together. But here when we write dr by d theta, it is r has a power 1. When we write the d theta by dr, then there is a no theta here, it is a theta but it is an angle, so we cannot be say the degree of the theta. Okay, here the degree of d theta by dr it is 1, but degree of theta we cannot say. Okay, but we write in the form dr by d theta, then the degree of dr by d theta is 1 and degree of r, here it is r, is also 1. So here we write the differential equation in the form of dr by d theta. Okay, here therefore dr is equal to minus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta d theta. Then we write d theta here, dr by d theta is equal to, here we multiply by minus 2r cot theta minus sin 2 theta. Here it is a dr by d theta, that means it is a linear equation in r. It is a dr by d theta degree 1, and here it is r is also degree 1. So here we write dr by d theta plus, see carefully, it is this term 2 into cot theta into r and is equal to minus sine 2 theta, and here it is a linear differential equation in R. dr by dt have degree 1 and it is R have degree 1. Now compare with the linear differential equation in R. It is dr by d theta plus PR is equal to Q. Here P and Q are the functions of theta or constant. Okay, then first find the integrating factor. Okay, here it is a linear differential equation in R, so the integrating factor, it is e to the power integration of P with respect to theta, e to the power integration of P. Sorry, here first we write the P and Q. Here first write the P. Here it is a P, it is a 2 cot theta, and Q, it is a minus sine 2 theta. Now we find the integrating factor. Okay, here the linear differential equation, it is a dr by d theta plus PR is equal to Q. Here P and Q are the functions of theta. Now the integrating factor, when we write the it is a linear differential equation in y, then integrating factor, it is a integration e to the power integration of P with respect to x. Now here the integrating factor is e to the power integration of P with respect to theta. P with respect to theta, and then e to the power integration of 2 into cot theta with respect to theta, and here 2 constant as it is. Integration of cot theta, the integration of cot theta is log of sine theta. Okay, and then the integrating factor is equal to e to the power log of sine square theta, and then it is sine square theta. It is a integrating factor. Now the solution of this linear differential equation, the solution of linear differential equation in R is, here integrating factor into R is equal to integration of integrating factor into Q with respect to theta. Here it is a solution integrating factor into R, solution of the linear differential equation in R, integrating factor into R is equal to integral of integrating factor into Q with respect to theta. Okay, now we write the solution integrating factor, it is a sine square theta, sine square theta into R is equal to integral of integrating factor sine square theta and into the Q it is a minus sine 2 theta, minus sine 2 theta, it is a Q with respect to theta. Now here the sine square theta into R, we can write R into sine square theta is equal to, it is minus integral of sine square theta into sine 2 theta, but here it is a angle theta and here it is angle 2 theta. So here we use the formula for the double angle, that is the sine 2 theta. It is a 2 sine theta into cos theta with respect to theta. Now here minus 2 into integral of sine cube theta into cos theta d theta, and now here clearly here it is a sine cube theta, the derivative of sine theta, it is a cos theta. So here we put sine theta is equal to t. To solve this integral, put sine theta is equal to t, therefore cos theta d theta is equal to dt, and now our integral is r into sine square theta is equal to minus 2 into integral of t cube dt. It is a t cube and it is a dt. Okay. Then the integral, it is minus 2 into t to the power 4 upon 4 plus c, and therefore r into sin square theta is equal to minus t to the power 4, that means sin to the power 4 d theta upon 2 plus c, and therefore last answer it is r into sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta upon 2 is equal to c is general solution of given differential equation. See carefully, it is a linear differential equation in R, so it is a dr by d theta plus pr is equal to q, where p and q are the functions of theta, and it is a solution of the linear differential equation in R. Okay, and here it is a last answer, it is a general solution. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, the example number 9. Y dx plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. And now here, it is a given differential equation. It is a y dx plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. Now here we write this equation in the dy by dx or dx by dy. When we write in the dy by dx, then if it is a linear differential equation, then the degree of the dy by dx it is 1. It is clearly degree of dy by dx it is 1, and the degree of y is also 1. But here the degree of y it is a 2, so it is a not linear differential equation in y. Now we check, it is a linear differential equation in dx by dy, that means the linear differential equation in x. The degree of dx by dy it is 1, and degree of x is also 1. Here it is x. Okay. Now I can write y dx is equal to x minus y square dy. Okay, but here it is a minus. Now dx by dy is equal to minus x plus y square upon y. This dy here and this y. Now we can write this. It is a minus x by y and plus y. Okay, dx by dy is equal to this. So we can write dx by dy plus x by y is equal to y, and now it is a linear differential equation in x. So compare with linear differential equation dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Okay, here therefore here p is equal to 1 by y and q is equal to y. Now first find the integrating factor. It is e to the power integration of p with respect to y is equal to e to the power integration of 1 by y with respect to y, and then it is e to the power log y, and it is y. Y is an integrating factor, and now the solution of this linear differential equation. Solution of linear differential equation in x is integrating factor into x is equal to integration of integrating factor into q with respect to y. It is a solution of linear differential equation in x. Now integrating factor it is a y, q it is also y. So the solution is y into x is equal to integral of integrating factor, it is a y, q is also y with respect to y, then it is x into y is equal to integral of y square dy, integral of y square, y cube upon 3 plus c, it is xy, and here is general solution. Of differential equation, xy is equal to y cube by 3 plus c. It is a general solution of this differential equation. See carefully this. Now let's see the next example. The example number 10. One minus x square dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to x into 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Now here the differential equation in the dy by dx, here it is a dy by dx, the degree of the dy by dx it is 1, and here it is y, the degree of y is also 1, so it is a linear differential equation in y. So first write in the linear differential equation y, the form of the linear differential equation in y, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then it is a given differential equation, 1 minus x square dy by dx plus 2 into xy is equal to x into 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Now first throughout dividing by, it is 1 minus x square, so it is a dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 minus x square y, it is a 2x upon 1 minus x square into y, and is equal to x into, see carefully, 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 and upon 1 minus x square, that means here it is under root and upon 1 minus x square, so in the denominator we get 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Okay. That means we can also write in the under root. Therefore it is a linear differential equation in y, it is a p and it is q. Compare with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Therefore see carefully, it is a p is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square, it is a p, and q is equal to x upon 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2, or we can write x upon under root 1 minus x square. Now it is p and q. Now first find the integrating factor. Integrating factor, it is a e to the power integration of p with respect to x is e to the power integration of 2x upon 1 minus x square with respect to x. Here 2x upon 1 minus x square, it is a linear function upon quadratic function. The derivative of 1 minus x square, it is a minus 2x, but here it is a 2x, so we can adjust this e to the power minus 2x upon 1 minus x square with respect to x, and then the integration of this. Therefore integrating factor is equal to e to the power minus log of 1 minus x square, log of 1 minus x square, f dash of x upon f of x, but it is a minus, so we can write e to the power log of 1 upon 1 minus x square, and then it is a 1 upon 1 minus x square. It is an integrating factor. It is minus log of 1 minus x square, so it is log of 1 upon 1 minus x square, and e to the power log of f of x, it is f of x. So 1 upon 1 minus x square, it is an integrating factor. Now solution. Solution of linear differential equation in y is integrating factor into y is equal to integration of integrating factor into q with respect to x. Now integrating factor, it is 1 upon 1 minus x square. 1 upon 1 minus x square, it is the integrating factor into y. 1 upon 1 minus x square into x upon, it is, you can write under root or power 1 by 2. Here we can write the power 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 with respect to x. Integrating factor into y, integrating factor into q, it is q, x upon 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2, and then it is y upon 1 minus x square, it is LHS of the solution, LHS, it is y upon, and here integral of x upon, see carefully, 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 with respect to x. It is x, and here 1 minus x square, and it is 1 minus x square. Here the power of the 1 minus x square, it is 1, and here it is 1 by 2. So we can write it is a 3 by 2. And now here 1 minus x square, the derivative of 1 minus x square, it is a minus 2x. So we adjust the derivative. Here we write the minus 2x upon 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 dx. Okay, see carefully. Now here it is 1 by 2. Okay. Then it is f dash of x, and here f of x to the power 3 by 2. Here we can write f of x to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2 into minus 2x dx, and here we use the f of x to the power n into f dash of x. Then the integral is f of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and then the integral, it is 1 by 2 1 minus x square to the power n plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1, it is a minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2 and plus c. Okay, here we use, see carefully, this integral of f of x to the power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay, here we use this formula, or we can directly without adjustment put 1 minus x square is equal to t. Put 1 minus x square is equal to t. The derivative of it is x square, it is in the form of the x. So put 1 minus x square is equal to t, and then by using the substitution we get again same answer. Now this 1 by 2 get cancelled. The solution is y upon 1 minus x square is equal to minus 1 by 2 get cancelled, and here it is x. It is 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2. Then we can write 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 plus c. It is a general solution of the differential equation. Or when we multiply by 1 minus x square, okay, when we multiply by 1 minus x square, we get y is equal to, here multiply, then we get 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 and plus c into 1 minus x square into, it is c, is general solution of the differential equation. Okay, see carefully this step. When we multiply by 1 minus x square, okay, here we get y, but here in the multiple 1 minus x square, it was in the numerator 1 minus x square, and in the denominator 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. So we get 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2, and here we multiply by the 1 minus x square. It is the solution. This integral we can also solve by using the substitution. Here we solve directly. It is also the substitution method, but here we can directly use the formula. Here use the put 1 minus x square is equal to t. It is a substitution and solve it. Okay. Here it is a general solution of this differential equation. Now the last example in the question number 1. Last example in the question number 1, it is the example number 11. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. Now it is a given differential equation. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. Again divide by 1 plus x square. So we get dy by dx plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. It is a linear differential equation. Compare with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then p is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to, it is e raised to tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. It is a q. Okay. Now p and q are the functions of x. So first find the integrating factor. E to the power integration of p dx. Then e to the power integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x, and then it is e to the power tan inverse x. It is a standard integral 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the solution of linear differential equation in y is integrating factor into y is equal to integral of integrating factor into q dx. Then the integrating factor, it is e to the power tan inverse x into y is equal to integrating factor e to the power tan inverse x into the q e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. Here it is a solution. Integrating factor into y is equal to integrating factor into e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. It is the value of this q. Now we solve these integrals. Therefore y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to integral of, see carefully this, e to the power tan inverse x whole square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Here we can solve this example. It is a e to the power tan inverse x into e to the power tan inverse x. It is the e to the power tan inverse x square, or directly by putting same as it is, put e to the power tan x, or e to the power tan x is equal to t. When we put e to the power tan x is equal to t, we get only 1 upon 1 plus x square. But when we put e to the power tan inverse x is equal to t, then it is a derivative. So we cannot write in this form. We can directly substitute. Okay, see carefully. Put the e to the power tan x is equal to t, and then it is a derivative of e to the power tan x. Therefore put e to the power tan inverse x is equal to t. Therefore, derivative of e to the power tan inverse x, e to the power tan inverse x into 1 upon 1 plus x square is equal to dt by dx. And therefore, e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. That means we can write this dt and it is a t. And therefore, our solution y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to, our integral becomes t dt. It is a t and it is dt. And then the integral it is t square by 2 plus c. And then the last answer, y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to e to the power tan inverse x whole square upon 2 plus c. Here is the general solution of differential equation. Is general solution of differential equation. See carefully this.